Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sassy Pants. I am at Canuck Moto today doing some prep for Sturgis, getting new parts on my Lowrider ST. Before we head into the shop, I wanted to let you guys know I will be giving away a free Simpson motorcycle helmet. So stay tuned, watch the whole video so you know how to enter. Come on with me, guys.
What's up? My name's Phil. I'm the owner of Canuck Moto Ltd, located in Bryanston, Ontario, just outside of London. I got a text from this guy named Joe. He texted me up. He's like, yo, you want to work on this chick named Sassy's bike? I was like, who the fuck is Sassy? He's all right, sure. And yeah, that's just how it came about. Next thing you know, they're at the shop, and it's up on the bench, and we're putting her together, and it was great. Wrenching bikes for me, it's therapy. I started wrenching bikes after I got out of the military, and it became something that brought me peace, brought back my passion, and that's why I wrench, and it's why I continue to wrench.
Go buy some Renegade Babes merch.
Basically, this thing's probably never been off, and because you rode it in the salt flats.
Oops.
It's got a whole bunch of salt and corrosion in there. It's just stuck. The pinch bolts are just stuck on it. It's like rust on your tubes. So basically, you're just trying to knock it loose and tap it upwards.
Hi. Does he feel me? Yeah. Pretty.
Looks like that.
Guns out, guns out. Just expect your motorcycle to go to shit after riding the salt flats.
And you use a brass hammer, because a brass hammer, it's soft. So when you bang on it, the brass hammer takes the damage instead of your actual.
Pro tips from Phil.
Newest Canuck employee right here.
Well, I clean my bike once a week, so I don't.
Well,
Oh yeah, you take the tank off to clean it?
Always want to put the top clamp on first, too.
Why's that?
Because if you don't put the top clamp on, your risers are going to be all tied and when you do up these bolts. So we always just square it up and they won't twist on you.
Thank you.
I think it looks like crap. It's all dirty and everything. Salty.
Me.
Can't get anything off. Not the caliber of bike I'm looking for.
This one.
So basically, build them on the table first. That way you have everything square, everything's tightened down. Because if you put them on the bike, then you're reaching through the trees and you can't really get the bolts at the bottom. So if you put them on the table, you assemble them on the table, you're not worried about having to go through the legs and the fairing to put it all together.
thank you.
What was that?
I don't know. You know what this one is?
A little more. Bet you didn't know it'd be comedy hour around here.
Just leaving tools around the shop.
Right here.
Where you want them. Once we get it ready to go.
Get the Crocs. What are those?
Hell yeah, brother.
As the camera starts.
What was that?
What was that?
When I go on dates, if I know it's not gonna work, I always take the bill because I want them to feel like a little.
Yeah, no.
I'll only let somebody pay if I think there's gonna be another date.
I just go to the washroom, I sneak out the bathroom window.
Oh, perfect.
You've snuck out a bathroom window on a date? Okay.
Have you ever been on a
I'm
You
like,
ever walked into a bathroom and there's been a bathroom window?
bathroom windows are common in bathrooms.
West Virginia there, Peabody's, down by the beach. And I'm taking a piss in the washroom, and then all of a sudden this girl just walks in while I'm taking a piss. I was like, what are you doing in here? She's like, oh, the girl's lineup's too long, I needed to take a piss. And then she just popped a squat beside me and just took a piss.
I do it all the time.
I was like, all right.
The best part is, usually if you're a girl in the men's line, they just like go to the front. They're like, oh!
I can't believe whoever worked on it didn't put gloves on. Look at all the fingerprints on it.
You ever ran out of gas on your bike? You have? You?
I think so.
Seriously?
No. I've been with people that run
I don't
out of
know if you
gas.
could classify yourself as a bike rider yet,
How the f do you run out of gas? On a new bike.
but you just get so lost in the road that you just run out of gas.
I mean, it's been close, but not because I was lost in the road, just because I was out in BFE.
You're just so indulged in the spirit of motorcycle riding that you just forgot that you had no gas in your tank.
I don't know, the light on that dash is pretty damn bright. The North Star guiding me to the stage. What's up, weirdos? Speaking of weirdos, I just launched a new design on renegadebabes.com. My Stay Weird design features a cool ass alien riding a motorcycle. Y'all should check it out. I'm sure you guys are waiting on that Simpson motorcycle helmet, but you'll have to stay tuned just a little bit longer as I go over some of the new things on my bike. As you can see, this bike is absolutely trashed right now. It is coated in bugs. Canuck Moto is about 2.5 hours from me. I didn't want to review the parts without throwing some miles down. Went for a ride all day today to be able to give an honest review.
You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, yeah. You ain't gonna outrun me, yeah. When I was younger, my mama said, gotta make your green and you'll be seeing red. 'Cause if you ain't got none, well, nobody gon' come for you.
I've been running OG motorcycle parts for a year now. All of their stuff is top quality. I wanted to give my bike a little refresh, why I added the black chrome onto my bike.
Gonna walk all over you.
Fucking Skeeters. Have you heard that song that goes, there's a Skeeter on my Peter, whack 'em off. There's a Skeeter on my Peter, whack 'em off. Anyways, okay, the bugs are killing me out here. But anywho, loving my new risers. My last ones were giving me a little bit of back problems, but this seems to be the perfect height, and I love the clean look of the top adjustable triple tree. I went and hung out at Canuck Moto because I heard a lot of great things about him and his work, and just had a rad time hanging out in the shop, shooting the shit. Super happy with the job he did on this bike. Not only did I get a new riser in triple trees, but I also added the black chrome tips on my crash bars and the shifter peg, just to give it an extra little pop. Spread the black chrome throughout the bike and not just in the front. Joseph. Joe just ripped ass. Sick.
Pretty sure the mic picked that up.
Simpson motorcycle helmets. The part you've all been waiting for. The free Simpson motorcycle helmet giveaway. I'm gonna tell you guys the rules, and may the odds ever be in your favors. I've been rocking Simpson motorcycle helmets for the last 5 years now. It's the only helmet I run with. I do have another helmet, but I wore it a few times and it's just really not my jam. So I am super excited to be partnering with Simpson on this giveaway to bring you guys a cool helmet. And thanks for the 10,000 subscribers. We've been YouTubing for a couple months now, and I'm just super appreciative for all the support and for all of you guys watching and hanging out. So thank you. So this is how you guys are gonna enter. 1, like this video. 2, be subscribed to my channel. And 3, comment below your favorite motorcycle event that you've been to or want to go to. This weekend, we are headed to Milwaukee to go to Harley-Davidson Homecoming. This is the 121st year. Super excited to attend. I'm gonna have my bike right out front of the museum. And then I am rushing back over to Michigan, picking up the chopper, and headed to Fuel Cleveland to display my chopper builds there. I'll be there with Drew. He'll have some of his bikes as well, and I'm really looking forward to that. If you can't make either of those events, don't be sad, because I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And after that, we're headed to Sturgis, and you know I'm taking you there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will be announcing the helmet giveaway in my next video, so stay tuned. You might want to turn your notification bell on just so you know if you win or not and when the next video is launched. I will see you guys in the next video in Milwaukee. Then it will be Fuel Cleveland and Sturgis after that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I can't wait to bring you with me. See ya!
Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't